Good morning, children. Last class we studied lesson 2 numbers. From that comparison and formation of numbers we studied. First we studied bigger number and smaller number. Next biggest number and smallest number. Now we are going to see formation of two-digit numbers. How the numbers are formation. Now we should take two set of number cards. One set is from 0 to 9 and another set is from 10 to 90, like this. Tens to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, like that, up to 90. And one's place is like this, 0 to 9. You should select the cards. Formation of two-digit numbers is two methods. One is without a repetition of digits, and one more method is with the repetition of digits. So first one we will see. Let us consider the two-digit number 45. To form this number we need to select the cards 40 and 5. 40 from tens place and 5 is from ones place. So you will see now we need to select. We are going to form a number two-digit number 45. So we need to take a card from 40 from tens place and 5 from ones place. So I selected. So how the number is forming? So ones place is 5, tens place is 40. So 40 plus 5, 45. So these two numbers are different, though. So this method is without repetition digits. So 45 is there without repetition of digits. So we selected the cards 45. 40 is from tens places, 5 is from tens place. Now let us consider another two-digit number 54. So we need to select 54. We need to select we need to choose the card from 50 from tens place and 4 from ones place. Let's see. So we need to select. We are going to form 54. We need to select tens from 50 from tens place and 4 from ones place. So it take the card and forms one's tens place and one place. So 50 plus 4, what is the answer? 54. So now we will see another method. Now we are going to see formation of two-digit numbers with the repetition of two digits. Let us take the example forming the two-digit number is 66. Now we are going to form that two-digit number is 66. So we need to select the card. 60 is from tens place and 6 is from ones place. Now 60 is from tens place and 6 is from ones place. 60 plus 6 equal to, what is the answer? 60 plus 6, 66. So ones place and tens place same numbers. So this only with the repetition of two digits. So same numbers are coming from ones place and tens place. So the method of two-digit number is with repetition. Here first one is different numbers are coming from ones place and tens place. So this is without repetition of digits. And second method, this one, same numbers is coming from ones place and tens place. So this is called with the repetition of two-digit numbers. And we will see another one, practice session. Form the two-digit numbers using the number cards given below. One is done for you. So one method they done for us. formation of two digit numbers with repetition. So second method they given for us. Here first one is over, they selected 30 selected from tens place and 3 is selected from ones place here. So formation of two digit numbers with the repetition, second method they done here. So same numbers from each places, tens place and one places they selected. Now we are going to do second one. Now second one, tens place 70. So for tens place we need to take 70. You will see here we need to take tens place 70, right? I'm keeping here. And another one we need to take ones place, no? So ones place is 7. So now we are going to select ones place 7. So 7 is selected. So 70 plus 7, what is the answer? 77. Very good. So tens place we need to take 70 and ones place we need to take 7. So 70 plus 7, the two digit number is 77. Good. So the children's next one. So 30 is over and 70 is also over. Now 90. So we need to take card from tens place from 90 and ones place from 9. So 90 I was selected from tens place. Next ones place, so tens place right here 90 and ones place 9, because repetition of two digit numbers, with the repetition of two digit numbers. So ones place and tens place same numbers will come. Select 9 from ones place. 9 is there, where? Here. Take 9. So 90 plus 9 equal to 99. So 90 plus 9 equal to 99. So ones place I am writing here 9. So two digit number 90 plus 9 equal to 99. Now you know the children's. So with the repetition of two digits numbers means, so ones place and tens place same numbers are repeating. See, 30 plus 3, 33. We need to take the chords tens place 30, ones place 3. So the two digit number is 33. Same like 70 is from tens place, 7 is from ones place. Now the two digit number is 77. Same like this also. 90 is from tens place, 9 is from ones place. The answer is 99. We will see first method now. Here formation of two digit numbers with the repetition of two digits, with the repetition, without repetition of two digits, sorry. Tens place 30, 30 is selected from tens place and 1 is selected from ones place. Now the answer is two digit number 31. Now we are going to do without repetition of two digits. Now we will select from tens place any one number we can take. First we will take 30. So tens place again I choose the 30 here. Take 30 from tens places, keeping here, and again I am going to take one from ones place 2. So ones place I am going to take 2. So these are different numbers, ones and tens. So 30 plus 2, 32. So here ones place I choose 2. So 30 plus 2, answer is two digit number is 32. Next I am going to take tens place 70 I'm going to take. So here I want to write tens place 70, and ones place I'm going to take 5. From ones place I'm going to take 5. So tens place is 70. I choose the here. Ones place 5. I choose the 5. So 70 plus 5. So the answer 75. So these are different numbers from ones place and tens place. Now I am going to take 90 from tens place and 90 from tens place, and ones place 6. Ones place 6. So 90 plus 6. Choose the cards. Take 90 from tens place and 6 from ones place. So our answer is 96. Correct. Okay. Same method, same like we are going to write. Now I am going to take 70 from tens place here and 1 from ones place. 70 plus 1, the 2-digit number is 71. And again 90 I am going to take from tens place, right, 90, and ones place 3. So 90 plus 3, the 2-digit number is 93. And next I am going to take again 30. So I wrote here 30 from tens place, and from ones place I'm going to take 7. 30 ones place 7. 30 plus 7, 37. Now last one I'm going to take 90 from tens place, 2 from ones place. So 90 plus 2, 92. So now this class we studied without repetition of 2-digit numbers. That is how the numbers are forming without repetition method. So ones place and tens place, both the numbers are different numbers, not same numbers. So same method. 30 plus 1, 31. 30 plus 2, 32. Like this, ones place and tens place we need to select the different numbers. And one more method we studied with the repetition of 2-digit numbers. You have to select the numbers, same numbers from ones place and tens places. 30 is from tens place, 3 is from threes place. So 3 is from ones place. So 30 plus 3 equal to 33. And one more number, 70 is selected from tens place and 7 is selected from ones place. So 7 plus 70 plus 7 equal to 77. And same method, 90 is selected from tens place and 9 is selected from ones place. So 90 plus 9 is equal to 99. We'll see the next class. Thank you, children.